Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, with Thanksgiving behind us, I know if you're like me, you're thinking about decorating for Christmas or for your holidays. And sometimes it feels like a chore. I don't know if you're like me, but this year, for some reason, I was not motivated or not in the mood to decorate for Christmas. And I don't know if that's because, I started before Thanksgiving, but I just took one day, a Sunday. I put on a very old Christmas movie that would just kind of get me in the mood.
It's all in the wrist. Yeah,
Is that so?
follow through,
Is that so?
Yes, it's just like throwing a ball.
And I hung some Christmas pictures. I did some, I decorated with some new throws on my couch, and I felt like I wanted to do something that was a little bit more of the red and green plaid this year, and I couldn't do that with my couch because my couch is blue, navy blue. So I did pick up these sectional throws from Amazon in the pretty winter white. And, you do have to kind of like make them up every day again, because when you're sitting on them, they kind of get messed up. But you can just make the bed in the morning like you would your own bed. You're making up the couch, and it's really pretty. And I love these blankets that I got from Magnolia Home at Target, and they are absolutely beautiful. The green one, you can reverse it and get it in the red and white check, which is so beautiful. I just am going to take you around and show you the little small decor pieces that I have put around my living room area and just gave my place a little bit of a Christmas boost. So come along with me.
So let's start with my table centerpiece. I love the Ralph Lauren look for this Christmas season, and I picked up these red berries and some sparkly pine cone picks at the Dollar Tree this season. And I found this beautiful red glass candle from Magnolia Home at Target, and it looks beautiful with this brass reindeer that I picked up from Hobby Lobby this season, and it was not expensive. And I just think that the berries and the pine cones just really bring the look of that Ralph Lauren look. And I just put a red placemat on the bottom of this round tray and this big red Luminara candle, and I just think it is the Ralph Lauren look. Okay, so this is a little side table, and again, I did not do a bunch of stuff for decor, but I have these little trinkets, this little snowman that I had picked up at a really pretty Christmas shop down on the Cape a few years ago. I have this beautiful print of Santa that I picked up, and it lights up. I picked this up, I think it was at like Kohl's or something, and didn't even realize that the Christmas tree behind him lit up, but I think it is so pretty. So you can just find some prints that will give the vibe. Again, here's my couch. I think it looks so cozy. I picked up those pillows from Target, Magnolia Home. These blankets from Magnolia Home are so good quality, nice and thick, and really nice to get cozy with. And I just think these are so classic and beautiful. And here is another picture that I had gotten last year, and it just gives the room that real pretty Christmassy look without really going overboard. I have that beautiful picture on the wall, and then I have my Santa in this glowing lantern that I got from the paper store, and it's just so pretty. And decorating with light is going to make all the difference. I have a candle with a little topper on it that my daughter gave me one year for Christmas. I have these little bottle brush trees, and my LED lights, candles that I got from Amazon, and this was a cute little train that we picked up at a yard sale. And this is just some potpourri that smells like cinnamon, and that deer I got from the dollar store this year, and I think he's just so pretty. And I picked this up from Wayfair last year, this beautiful picture of Santa. So that's going to do it for this quick beginning of the holiday season decor video. I plan to do a Christmas vlog, and I plan to show you my Christmas tree and my Ralph Lauren inspired tablescape. So I do hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Happy holidays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.